Welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to see the free certifications by Microsoft, and everyone is eligible to do that. That is the free of cost is the biggest advantage of these courses. So if you want to get the career or get the job in IT or any field like cloud field, and you want certification at free of cost, and as we know we can't get this certification at free of cost and best learning path, and as well as this is sponsored by Microsoft. This is the well defined and well scheduled course, and most beneficial thing is that we can do this course is anytime. That is a self-paced course, so we can do this course in anytime. Like if you want to learn in morning, night or midnight, anytime you can learn that. So this is the course. They are offering certification prep on demand, as well as completing your course with 80% on the practice test to earn a free exam voucher. So you can earn free exam voucher as well. Then access to self-paced Microsoft certification training in English and 9 local language as well. Then practice with hands-on labs and exam preparation resources they are providing. As we know, if we want a certification of Microsoft or any demanded skills, so we need to prepare for their exam. So they are offering that exam preparation resources. Then explore Microsoft credentials to navigate the certification pathway. So, and exclusively you can join their live office hours as well. You can get your questions answered by experts every 2 weeks. Clear your doubts and get insights in our interactive session. Then get guidance on exam formats, how to prepare for that, how to prepare. They are offering the resources as well. Then you can stay updated with the solution designation if you want to pursue your career in IT or cloud, any domain. So basically it's for cloud mainly. So they are offering the around many courses. Like, see, you can see here, you can click on these filters and then you can choose your course according to that. You can see here I have clicked on Azure cloud AI platform, so you can see you can apply the filters and you can search your course as per that type. Then if you want see credential ready, you can see that levels like beginner, intermediate, advanced. So they are offering the advanced level courses as well. So you can see this is the advanced courses of DevOps and cloud engineers. So you can, after clicking on that course, you can see all the information regarding that, and you can get all the things, all the data to done by them. So for this course they have duration of 10 hours. This is intermediate course, self-paced. Then credential ready, they are giving the certification, yes. Hands-on lab, and then solution areas are Azure cloud and AI platform. So you have, there are the course models are defined here. You can click on that and you can get the courses. Like other courses in the category, you can do anything. If you want any courses like that, you can explore any courses. So now we have seen all the courses and all the labs they are giving. You can see, click on load next results to see all the courses they are giving you to be here. You can see the Cybersecurity course as well, then expert architect in cyber. All the courses are given by Microsoft. So now we will see how to register. So in this home page you have to click on login. After that I will give you this link in description box to go and check. Then after that, I don't have my uh, credentials with them, I didn't register yet, so no account. You will click on create one. After clicking on create one, we will fill this data like first name, last name, email address, country, then password, then confirm password. So we will firstly fill this data. After that, so we will see all the things in detail. So if we click on this data, so as you can see that next, after that, select your country. I have selected India. Then create your password, then confirm your password, then click on I would like technology send me email of communication, then I agree to the terms of use, and then click on register. That's it. You have registered with their email ID, credentials, all the thing, you have access to their courses as well. So now you need the email address of your school or college, then after you can register. Otherwise you don't register with your personal email ID. You need to your email ID of your college or your school. So if you have any queries related to that, you can comment down. Thanks for watching the video.